Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Disha and I hope you all are doing well. So guys, Diwali is right at the corner and I know we all are so busy with Diwali preparation that we hardly have any time to pamper our skin. So here I am today. आज मैं आपके साथ एक easy DIY फेस मास्क शेयर करने वाली हूँ जिसको यूज़ करते ही आपको एक इंस्टेंट फेस्टिव ग्लो मिलेगा. इसके लिए आपको सिर्फ 3 सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट्स की ज़रूरत है जो आपके घरों में बहुत ईजिली अवेलेबल भी रहेंगी. So if you want to know how to get that festive glow, please keep on watching this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
My skin looks dull and is definitely lacking that festive glow. So let's see what we need for this face mask. Make sure your face is clean and dirt free before applying the mask. I've just washed my face and it is ready for the mask. Start applying this mixture on your face. You don't need any brush or tool. You can simply use your fingers to apply this on your face. Massage it in circular motion to improve the blood circulation at your face area. Now papaya is your skin's favorite. Trust me, it is loaded with vitamins and enzymes that are very beneficial for our skin. It will help reduce various skin problems like inflammation, acne and skin pigmentation. And that is why you will see it in many exfoliating and tan removal products. We also have honey in this mask. So honey is extremely moisturizing and helps balance the good bacteria on our skin. It has healing properties, so it will nourish damaged skin and also fade acne scars to an extent. I love papaya as a fruit and I am going to eat it meanwhile. The last ingredient is lemon juice, which is rich in vitamin C. It will reduce dark spots and brighten up your skin. Now lemon juice is slightly acidic in nature and hence has high pH levels. So if your skin is very sensitive, I would suggest using raw milk instead. Or you can also completely skip the third ingredient. It will take 12 to 15 minutes to dry completely. Now wash your face with cold water and pat dry with a soft towel. My skin has definitely brightened up and looks more fresh and clear. Now to lock in all the goodness of this mask, I will continue with my 2-step skincare routine. I'm using this Mamaearth's face serum. It has rosehip oil which helps boost collagen formation, reduces fine lines and also has various other benefits. Lastly, I will apply some moisturizer on my skin to keep it hydrated. I love this Pond's moisturizer because it is gel based, lightweight and also has hyaluronic acid in it, which is very good for your skin. That's all for this video guys. Bye.